Well, hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we are looking at a white mulberry tree that popped out of nowhere in my garden. It's about 45 years old now and it's thriving. It has a thick layer of wood chips. Now I don't be doing nothing to this tree. I rarely if ever water it. I don't fertilize it. And it's doing just fine. That white stuff that you see is mycelium, which is fungi, and it helps break down organic matter such as these wood chips, and it has many other benefits to the garden. That's a whole topic for a whole nother video. Did you guys know you could actually use the leaves and you can make some tea out of them leaves? The leaves got some health benefits. They help to prevent and manage diabetes. They lower the risk of cancer and heart disease. They're full of vitamins and minerals such as vitamin A, B1, B2, C. They have bioflavonoids, amino acids, and more. They also help with weight loss. And as always, try a small amount and see your body responds to it first, because they do have side effects. Did you guys see how easily the fruit fell into my hand like that? That's how ripe it is, you guys. It's just boom, ready for me to eat. And this fruit actually has plenty of health benefits as well. It has protein and iron, vitamin C and fiber and calcium and antioxidants, all that good stuff, you guys. And yeah, you guys know I love my fruit. Now this is how much I collected that day, but there's plenty of more that be hanging there in the tree, and best believe I'ma be waiting and I'ma be enjoying some good fruit in the near future, and I am so excited. I was so excited. And here I be, collecting them leaves for them tea. Y'all know I'm a tea drinker and I'ma take every single opportunity I have to make some tea. Now, I actually tried this tea the very next day that I filmed this, and it was 5 out of 5 stars, you guys. Thanks so much for joining me on this tiny little harvest. There's still some more to be harvested, and I'm so excited to make some tea out of these leaves, and then eat the little berries. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! Those crows are not letting me film. Gosh, we have little babies on a little pine tree. They're like, why is she so dressed up today with her skirt and hat and everything?